Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Solana and picking up where we left off in the previous Solana video. Now, at this moment, we are seeing some price movements with Solana that is slowly trending to the upside here. But the big key thing here is how, as far as things are going with the moving average. So if we look over at our 20-day moving average, you can see that we're starting to line right up within it. So we are making that attempt at this moment to hopefully overtake that 20-day moving average, which is very key because Solana has been under this for a very long time. It's been under the 20-day moving average since the first week of November. So it's finally making that attempt to get over it. Now we could be seeing some more retracement within the price of Solana as it could hopefully start breaking through the different moving averages now, as well as our 50-day moving average currently is at a price that's around $18. Our 100-day moving average is around $24, and our 200-day moving average is at the price of $37. So our 200-day moving average is right there around the price that Solana was just before the whole FTX fallout had taken place, because at that time, we had seen the price of Solana go up to around $39 just before it came down crashing within the FTX fallout. So if we were to start seeing some of this retracement, or at least retrace where we were from the whole FTX fallout, then we could be seeing the price of Solana actually going up above that 200-day moving average, which would be a very good, because last time Solana was above that 200-day moving average was very briefly, and that was actually back in the beginning of the second quarter of 2022. So it had then fallen through in the month of April, and then we had then just seen the price of Solana just continue to get more and more bearish as it came down here, and then especially since the whole FTX fallout, which we thought things were going to start looking to the potential upside with Solana. But still, the price of Solana had gone to its current 52-week low at a price of around $10.93. So far, we've been seeing a little bit of a price gain with it since it had reached that 52-week low back in the third week of November. So as far as that price movement has gone so far, we're looking at the price of Solana being up from that point to where it's at currently. It's gone up about 30%. So that's a decent price movement. So hopefully we can continue to make some traction here with Solana. And if we have the opportunity here in the short term to hopefully break through this 50% Fibonacci level from where we were during the whole FTX fallout, from where the wave 1 of the FTX fallout to the wave 5, how that had all taken place, we can be seeing a bit more of a price gain here. If we were to look at that price of, say, $24, if we were to pump up into that, then that would be a price gain that we could be seeing. That would be about a bit more than 70%. But I'm thinking that within this retracement, we can be seeing the price of Solana go up around 85% from where it's currently at, if it manages to get right within this price prediction, this price point that we're looking for, and hopefully we can reach this by the end of December, if not sometime within the month of January, as I'm thinking that we could be seeing it sometime by the end of December, or sometime hopefully early January as a possibility. And that would be absolutely amazing. So I think that there, here in the short term, there could be some gains to be making with Solana, but of course it's all waited to be seen. As far as any sort of major gains with Solana, it's going to be a bit difficult because, well, obviously we have a whole lot to retrace here. If we were to really pan back and look at the different Fibonacci levels, just to get into our next Fibonacci level from this whole price retracement, we'd be looking at the price of Solana going into a price that's around $65, which I don't see it going to that price anytime soon. So there's a lot that Solana had really come crashing down from where it was at its all-time highest back in the beginning of November of 2021. So there could be a little bit of an opportunity here in the short term, but of course, we look at any retracement here from where we were through the year 2021 into the first 3 quarters of 2022. I'd say that there's a lot of time that is going to take to rebuild all this, but that's just due to the fact that also DeFi in general, we're not looking at DeFi the same as we were back in 2021, because now with things that have happened with, say, Terra Luna, that has happened with many different exchanges, people are not looking at that the same anymore. They're really cautious about locking up their crypto, about all that. So they're trying to avoid that right now. So that's where the price Solana is going to have trouble trying to make any of those retracements from where it was in 2021. Now, to show you the total volume locked of Solana, which is currently at around $291 million. And if we look at the amount of Solana tokens that are currently locked, we're looking at about over 21 million Solana tokens currently locked. There has been a little bit of an increase as at the moment, but still you can see that it still has been coming down. But we've seen a little bit of an increase here in the month of December from where we were in November. So who knows, maybe people are starting to get a little bit of trust to start gaining here with DeFi. But of course, this is what is holding crypto down. So it's the whole, just the fear that everybody has with DeFi and things like that. So Solana being one of the big altcoins that had a lot of gains back in 2021, and that was all due to this, all due to the total value locked and everything that was going on as far as DeFi. So hopefully we'll start to see some sort of turnaround at some point, but of course it's all waiting to be seen. The crypto market is just in an absolute bearish position. But if we look at Solana, how it has been moving along here over these last 7 days, we can see that Solana is up about 4.75%, and that's a pretty decent size gain in comparison to some of the other cryptocurrencies in the top 20, which some of them have not really seen much gains at all. So there's potential here that we could be seeing Solana start to slowly make some gains and hopefully get right up within this short-term price prediction and at least accomplish that. So anyways, that's the update for Solana right now. We'll have to cross our fingers that we're able to keep getting some momentum here. Now, I am bullish on Solana, but of course I'm taking a lot of caution to it, and I'm trying not to lose my hat, trying to just chip away very, very lightly here as we move on, and hope that in the future there'll be some potential for some gains. But of course, that's just one of the risks right now when investing into altcoins that have come down significantly from where they were at their all-time high. But anyways, that's the update right now for Solana. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions. Now on this channel, if you're not subscribed, to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. I've been talking about Solana at least a couple times a week. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing, and a like does go a long way. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.